Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your Shots of Life kit. The Shots of Life comes out every other month, so this is the January-February of 2020 kit. It is geared towards your pocket page scrapbooking, but it's great if you document in a planner or traveler notebooks, or if you're thinking about doing a month in review this year, then this is a perfect kit to be getting so that it will cover all of your seasons, your holidays, and then your everyday life documenting. The Shots of Life also coordinates with your flavors of the month, so it's a perfect add-on to go with your flavors of the month, to have it go even further, give you more patterned paper and embellishments, and just to have a lot more fun. So this kit covers winter, Valentine's Day, everyday, birthday parties. We have a little bit of Disney and then a little bit of a crafty collection coming in. So you can document all of your memories starting for 2020. So let's take a closer look at your patterned paper, which are cut apart sheets for this month. So with your Shots of Life, you either get like cut apart papers, sometimes there's Project Life cards, but there's always items for the pocket page scrapbooking. But all of these papers also have a full 12 by 12 pattern on the background, so you can use it in traditional scrapbooking as well. So first up from Cartabella, Snow Much Fun, we have your winter covered. We have a border strip here, some 4x6 cut aparts. The back is a snowball print on the light blue. This one is the 4x6 journaling cards. From Pebbles, we have Happy Cake Day. So this is a really fun birthday collection. We have some 3x4 and 4x6 cut aparts. These are perfect to make some birthday cards with your leftover pieces. The back is this text print with all of these birthday sayings. It has a full branding strip with these beautiful florals. And that paper was called Cake Day. From Our Story, photoplay paper, we have the 4x6 cut apart. Some beautiful icons and colors. The back is this gorgeous wood grain. The next collection from Simple Stories is Hey Crafty Girl, and it is the 3x4 cut apart. So lots of crafty icons, perfect for the pocket scrapbooking as well as cutting apart, and you could use as subtitles or titles on your layouts. These are also great. You could fussy cut those for embellishments. So really cute. The back is a floral on an off-white with little black hash marks. From Echo Park, It's Your Birthday. We have a 3x4 cut apart, and every one of these would make adorable birthday cards. The back is kind of a stripe of party hats and packages, so you could cut those apart for borders using a bigger piece. Super cute. So that's the 3x4 journaling cards. From Photoplay paper, we have the Be Mine collection. This paper's the 3x4 cut aparts. The back is this beautiful little print on red. From Photoplay paper, Day at the Park, we have this paper, which is the autograph cards. So this is really fun if you have some Disney photos to scrap, or even maybe a Disney birthday or anything like that. If you have a trip coming up, this paper is great to make a little autograph album. But you could also just cut the pieces apart for little embellishment to go in your pages. Then our last paper is Simple Stories, My Valentine. This is the 4x6 cut apart sheet. And the back is a beautiful blue tone on tone. It has little hearts of different sizes and then a script writing. So you can see here all of the full 12x12 patterns that you get and all of the wonderful cut aparts. Moving on to the embellishments, we are loaded up this month for embellishments. For the It's Your Birthday Echo Park, we have the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So there's a little fan border down here, word labels, I love the little cake, lots of the little party animals, so that is cute, and some banners. For Cartabella, Snow Much Fun, we have the 12x12 sticker sheet. We have all of these are little word labels. You could also use it all together as a border strip, would be cute. And then this beautiful little border strip down here. All of the fun trees, little snow globe, so many cute icons. Love that little bear. That's what I want to be doing today, is hibernating under a blanket. We've had winter come in. From Pebbles, we have the 6x12 sticker sheet. So these will vary. You'll get the one half or the other. This one has all of the cute little party animals, some phrases that you could use on titles. For Simple Stories, Hey Crafty Girl, you're going to get the full ephemera pack. So I'll bring this up. This is all the different pieces. So it's just loaded with die cuts. So there's 56 pieces. There's everything from little journaling spots, frames, some little label pieces, and the cute icons. So you can see it is just loaded up with all kinds of fun embellishments. For the Photo Play Your Sweet, you're going to get half a pack of the die cuts of it. So they are going to vary. All of these can be punched out. So there's some word labels, a little bingo card, some cute little icons, frames, lots of fun embellishments. From the Simple Stories My Valentine, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. So mine has the beautiful roses and butterflies on the pink. And from Photo Play Paper Day at the Park, you're going to get half a sheet of the little Mickey heads. And half a pack of enamel dots. So these will actually coordinate with almost all of the collections here. So we have some light blue to the dark blue and kind of that rosy pink. So that's a look at the January, February Shots of Life kit. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. Come on over to the Facebook group and the blog. Join in on some of the challenges and see what the design team's creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.